calm the system in Ghana, because it's not easy. Sometimes they have talent more than the people come, but if you don't get promoter and the one who push you, I think that you can't come. And before you come, you have to tired, and sometimes you have to calm down, bring yourself down, let people can help you. But some of our musicians, they don't be humble. For me, music also is not doing in Ghana. If you do music, you have to fly.
You mean to be able to, if you make it
name in Ghana, you have to fly. You have to
travel outside.
Travel outside to get more shows, to perform the whole Africa, to be like somebody like Fela Kuti, be like somebody like Alpha Bandit, be somebody like big people. But our Ghana music is only Ghana.